Welcome to the in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now by double press on power key button, we have now here any features. Just edit any, for example, to quick launch the camera application by double press to power key, we should launch the settings application. After that, scroll down to the system section and click to gestures. Then tap here to jump to camera, and to activate the switcher, click only once on the switcher. And now by double press to power key, we can see that the camera application is turned on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.